Hi friends, welcome to the part 13 of Amarnath Yatra vlog and you are watching Travel with Sodhi. In the last part you have seen that I have reached up to Sangam Top and from there I'm about to begin my journey towards the Holy Cave. Now in this part, let us visit the Amarnath Shrine and the Holy Cave. So without any further ado, let's start. Still not reached any particular plain surface or something like that. That's the Baltal route, trekking route coming from that side. There's no railing as such. You can see the condition of this particular road. It's fully muddy. For trekkers also it is very difficult to go through very narrow space.
जादू नाव में मैं तो इधर मैं 5 मिनट लग गए नहीं कैमरा साहब ने देखिए
Can see the first glimpse of the Holy Cave over there. Not sure whether it is visible in the camera or not, but it's there. We can see that.
बाबू मेरे को बताओ पीछे में सब लोग रवि सब पीछे हैं मेरे बहुत पीछे हैं
Actually, I got separated from my team, so I need to check after reaching over there to announcing if I can get them.
आगे बढ़ा दे रहा हूँ मतलब धीरे धीरे चल रहा हूँ मैं ठीक है
पैर देख लियो चलो भैया
चलो चलो
खाली गोल का बोल
Came towards this Amarnath cave. It's about almost 3 kilometers away. That's what I feel. Sangam Top, and that's my big mistake because I could have stayed there and can meet my teams, but I have came. Now the problem is I'm not able to contact with them, so got separated. I have two options. First is to take any other mobile who were having the SIM working and to get a call with Sapnada or Utpalanduda, whatever it is, or do an announcement over there. But I'm not sure whether they already went ahead or they're still lagging behind. That's my biggest confusion. So what I'll do, I'll just wait for here and some time and see. Sir, ये अनाउंस करने का जगह कहाँ है? आगे? ठीक है. So probably I'll just check if I can announce their names. I mean that will be great because I don't even know where is our luggages right now. First we need to check with the P2s and all, like whether they stopped at Sangam or how it is, and then I need to decide what has to be done. Let me show the scenic beauty of here. Meanwhile, pilgrims are coming in that way. That is Baltal route. River streams are flowing. That is towards the cave. Already have seen the snow. People are actually clearing the snow over there. The P2s and the ponies are actually leaving the carriage behind here. And currently I'm looking for the Suchna Kendra, that is the information center, so that I can go ahead and announce the names. I don't know how much time it will take to reunite with my teammates. Let's see. At least if I can connect with the mobile, that will also be fine, but yeah, let's see.
ये बर्फ है।
Actually, this is full glacier, you know, this is totally snow. So, it will be slippery over here.
हाँ हाँ चलना तो आप यहाँ निकल गया तो आगे नहीं सीधा जाओ आ जाओ मैडम
This is what actually was came down, it seems. It's still melting, you can see here. It's still melting. Keep going, keep going. चलते रहिए, चलते रहिए. सर इस सूचना केंद्र कहाँ?
सूचना केंद्र आगे पंचकुला सूचना केंद्र
ऐसे पैर रखो जहाँ खड्डे है दिखो लड़ाई बंद रखो पैर रखो
It's slippery, it's slow slippery because it's snow. It's so slippery. There's a good news. I just met one of my teammate over here found the tent like where we need to keep our luggages and everything. So that's a good news for me. And let me show you the beautiful sightseeing of this particular area. The river stream is still flowing. I can see the glacier still there. And just backside of me, that's the cave just showing over there. Let me show you around. From there actually we came down. That's the glacier that went down actually. We came down from there. You can see a lot of people are bathing over here. The tents over here, toilets, everything. There's a bridge, concrete bridge over here. And river stream flowing. There's the cave. You can see the orange one we're showing over there is the cave. So we're staying here and we'll get all our belongings and everything, and probably if possible we can take a bath with warm water. That depends. And we'll have some snacks or something like that. Then we'll go for the darshan first, because that is the target, that is the reason that we are here. So we'll just keep our baggages and we'll wait for our teammates to come. Let's see. Bhandara on the puja stop, where we are going to keep our luggages and everything. This is the one. And let me buy some prasadam or something like that. So that we'll get it over there. Let's see. So these are the prasadam that they are selling over here. Now I'm going to show you the devastation that has been done by that cloudburst. You can see this is the particular place. You can see it's everything gone. And I have seen NDRF team is still cutting the ice cubes and everything. Not cubes, huge chunks of ice and everything, just to make it clear, the path clear and all. So that's the thing. People going from Pansani is going to this direction, and from Baltal they are from that direction they are going. So those are like base camp, and this announcement center is also there. After doing a check, this is the gateway. Let me show you the gateway over here. This is the gateway. It's jerky because it's a long zoom, So it's very difficult for me in this particular train to keep my hand still. And after going there at the top, this is the cave. You can see. As much zoom as I can, I'm doing. Now this is the exclusive footage of Amarnath cave. Let us watch.
ये जग रही या ना रही, रहेगी तेरी आस था। क्या समय क्या प्रलय, दोनों में तेरी महानता, महानता, महानता। सीपियों की ऊँट में मोतिया हो जिस तरह, मेरे मन में शंकरा, तू बसा है उस तरह। मुझे भरम था जो है मेरा था कभी नहीं मेरा। अर्थ क्या निरर्थ क्या जो भी है सभी तेरा। तेरे सामने है झुका, मेरे सर पे हाथ रख तेरा।